the last videos, we have seen very clearly about zero shot prompting, where we are asking our AI model without providing any example. So, without providing any example, we are asking our AI model. So, regarding a particular requirement. So, such type of prompts comes under zero shot prompting. And if you are asking AI model by providing one example, so what is the intention in that? By taking that example as a consideration, so you have to identify the pattern, so and style. Based on that, can you please give answer for the question? So since we are providing only one example to the AI model, such a type of prompting is called as what? One shot prompt. Now, the next prompting is nothing but few shot prompt. So, few shot prompt. So, what is the meaning of few shot prompting? Here, we are providing how many examples? Sir, multiple examples we will provide. Okay. So, let me document. So, few shot prompting. So, few shot prompting is a prompt engineering methodology, okay, where the prompt contains two or more examples. Sir, if it is having one example, then it becomes one shot. So minimum two, more than two is also allowed. Okay. So we are providing two or more examples before asking the AI to perform some task, similar task. So I will provide some two examples. Please identify the pattern in these two examples. Based on that, can you please answer to this question like that? So what AI model is going to do? These examples are going to be help the AI model, okay, or it is going to help the AI to understand the expected pattern. What pattern the client is expecting and what is the format, even the style of the output also it will decide. Sir, additionally, what new thing we got? Harmony. So if there is any common thing is there in those two examples, that format we have to capture. Sir, mostly the number of examples should be minimum two and maximum five. Sir, why we are giving like this limitation? Okay, so if you are giving one example, so what AI is going to do? AI will copy that style. Suppose if you are giving two examples, it will identify the pattern and style. Suppose if you are giving more than five, then what will happen? So the prompt will become very lengthy. So confusion will be there for AI model, and even the tokenization cost is high. So because of that reason, so minimum how many examples we need to give? Two. Maximum how many examples we need to give? Five. This is nothing but the general technique what we are going to follow. Okay. So if you are clear with this, we will take directly some examples for this future prompting and we will analyze that. Friends, clear up to this?
Yes, it's clear till now.
Yeah. So let's consider multiple examples. Example one. What is the first example is, sir, I am taking customer support. Means, so WhatsApp message. WhatsApp message writing. So for customer support, I am writing a WhatsApp message. So example one I am giving. Example one. What is the first example? Sir, the message what I am going to write is, I will join office late today. So due to traffic. Sir, I am going to join late today. What is the reason? Because of some traffic. So like this, I'm giving one more example. What is the message? The message is nothing but, so please find the report attached. Please find the report attached. So let me know if changes needed. Have you observed? Just I have given some two examples based on this. Now, can you please write WhatsApp message or write a short professional WhatsApp message? WhatsApp message for taking leave today due to fever. The professional way. I have given how many examples? Two examples. One example is I am joining late to the office due to traffic. What is the second example? Please find the report attached. Let me know if any changes needed. Something like this, if I am giving two examples. Now, AI model is going to analyze what is happening in this, who are the audience, how we are communicating. Those things will be identified by our AI model. Then it is going to write the WhatsApp message for this. So let us see how this example is going to work. Have you observed? Good morning. I have a fever and I'm not feeling well. So I will be taking leave today. I will keep you updated on my recovery. Thank you for understanding. So this is nothing but a simple professional way of putting a message. Sir, how my AI model understood? Because of these examples. Okay. Suppose if I am asking a short, write a short professional message, something like that. If I am asking my AI, so what will happen? Let me take a new chart. If I am not giving examples, it may write in different manner. Yes, have you observed here? Maybe because of previous charts, it is understood. So try to execute in your system and check what will happen. Sir, clear? Is the first example is clear? So example 2. What is the second example is? I already told this example, which is nothing but a classifier. So what is mean by this classifier? Very simple. So I'm giving some example one, like, sir, I love this phone. I love this phone. Sir, what kind of message it is? It is a positive message. Example two. Okay. Sir, this service is terrible. Sir, what kind of message it is? It is nothing but negative. Negative. So example three also I am giving. So the food was okay. The food was okay. Sir, what kind of message it is? Have you observed? It is neutral. So if this is the message, then what kind of classification it is? A positive. If I'm giving this kind of message, it is a negative. If I'm giving this message, then it is nothing but what? Neutral. Like that. Sir, now I am asking, can you please classify? Can you please classify? Sir, which one? Can you please classify? The movie is amazing. Can you please tell me what kind of classifier it is? Is it a positive or negative or neutral? Yes. Sir, what answer we are getting? It is nothing but positive. Positive. Suppose consider I will ask, okay, so what is the question I am asking is the match was boring. The match was boring. Like this I am asking. Only this classification I am taking. What is output you will get? What kind of message it is? Negative. Negative. Suppose consider, so I'm giving like this. So the AI class is not too great, like this I'm giving. So now let us see what this classifier is going to do. Okay, so this is nothing but how we can provide some examples based on asking your AI agent to follow that and give the feedback. Sir, clear everyone? Please confirm. Clear.
Yes, yes, clear, sir.
Right. Now, what is the next example is, sir, example number 3. Invoice extractor. Sir, very, very important. Please listen. What is this invoice extractor is, sir, I have some invoice details are there. I will give some 2 or 3 examples, like what details are there, in which format I need the answer. Okay. So based on the pattern which you have given, it has to extract the data. Now observe, have you observed here? Finance team uploads some invoices. They need 3 details. What is the first one? Invoice number. Second one, date. Third one, total amount. These 3 details they need. But provided invoices have been in different formats. Extract the data in this format. Which format? Invoice number followed by date followed by total amount. Sir, first example. This is the input. So what is the invoice number? INN101. Date 1/2/2025. Total amount. Sir, output must be invoice number. Here small n, here capital. Date. Sir, amount. Amount. Have you observed amount is like this? Here we added this. Example 2. Sir, sometimes they are not giving IN. Simply they are giving. And you can observe date is also in different format. And amount is like this. Then in this format only I need output. What is output? INN, that invoice number. Date must be in this state, amount. Now, can you please extract the data from this? Have you observed here invoice number differently we have given. Date also differently we have given. Even there is no prefix for the amount. Now, my AI model is going to understand the previous input and output what you have written. Based on the, it will generate output for us. Can I run the prompt? Please confirm. So let us see how it will work. Now, invoice number INB 88 date 54/2025 amount. So, is the data is coming in a proper format or not? Yes. This is nothing but what we have. Clear? Please confirm. So, what is the next example here is example number 4. Sir, business report generator. I want to generate business report. So, what is the data I have? Already these prompts are there with me. Use in this format. I need a title followed by summary, followed by key points, followed by conclusion. Sir, these 4 things I need as a report. Okay. Sir, for these, what is the data? If you take example 1, what is the input here? Sales increment by 20%. Marketing campaign performed well. This is nothing but the statement what we have. Sir, what is the output? What is the title? Sir, title is weekly sales report. What is the summary? Sir, sales increased significantly. What are the key points? Sir, 20% growth. and marketing campaign is success. And what is the conclusion? So positive growth trend. Like that, for this input, this is nothing but output 1. This is example 1. If you take example 2, what is input? Customer complaints reduced by 30%. So what is the title? Weekly performance report. Customer satisfaction is improved. Sir, key points. I am writing only one key point. 30% complaints reduction. What is the conclusion? Service quality is improved. Now observe, if I am giving one line statement or maybe remark given by an expert, I need in this particular format. So second example also I have given in the same format. Now, can you please generate a report for this data? What is the input? Revenue increased by 15%. Sir, new clients added 50. New clients added 50. This is nothing but what is my input. Okay, let us see how it will work. Let's copy paste the total prompt I am pasting. Sir, what is the title? Weekly revenue report. Sir, what is the summary? Revenue increased and new clients were acquired. What are the key points? Revenue increased by 15%, 50 new clients added. Conclusion, business growth is on positive. So based on the input what you have given, it identify the pattern. Based on that, it is giving the answer. So I hope you got some idea, folks. Clear up to this?
Yes, clear. So we can have also the we upload some format. Suppose a
Yes,
Word
you
file.
can ask. Suppose if you have a word file in this, you
Mhm.
can ask to identify the things which are there in that, and you can ask the summary, or you can provide a format in which format you need output. Those
Okay,
customizations we can do. But the
okay,
only
okay.
thing is, if your file size is more, or if you have lengthy content is there, then subscription may be needed. But maximum 80% support will be there in free versions. Okay.
Okay. One question I have. Suppose there is some format, a standard format, and there are three formats, and if I want to the best out of those three different formats, so can I upload the three different formats? Then I say the LLM to give the best out of that, so they can suggest.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, okay. So so this will follow your like your guidance, like the two sorts.
Yes.
Okay.
Next, another example. So, example number 5. What is this example? Is SQL query generation. SQL query generation. Sir, how we are going to generate an SQL query? So observe carefully. There are some uh, questions are there here. Generate an SQL query is my task. What is the first example? My requirement is, can you please display all the employees? What is the output? Select star from employees. Example 2. Sir, my requirement is, can you please display the employees whose salary is greater than 50,000? What is the output? Select a star from employees where salary is greater than 50,000. Example 3. Sir, what is the requirement? Display the employees working in which department? HR department. Sir, what is the query? Select a star from employees where department is HR. Sir, how many examples I provided? 3 examples. Are you clear with these 3 examples, friends? Please confirm.
Yes, clear.
Clear. Now, can you please generate? What is my requirement? Display the students whose marks are greater than 80. So can you please identify the three examples which I have given? Based on that, can you please generate the format? Now observe, what is SQL query? Select a star from students where marks are greater than 80. Sir, is it our requirement or not? Can you please confirm, friends? Is it our requirement?
Yes.
So it is working fine, correct?
Yeah, correct.
Any questions up to this?
No question.
Right. So the next example, so which I am taking here is, observe carefully. Example number 6. Sir, funny excuses. So funny excuses. So already in the last example, we have seen one example we have discussed. Now observe carefully. Example 1. Sir, my input is why you late. Have you observed? Funny answer. My alarm clock also wanted a holiday today. Have you observed? Next. Second input. Why didn't you finish your homework? Sir, what is output? My notebook went to silent mode and refused to cooperate. Wow, beautiful. Now, what is the third input? Why did not you answer my call? What is my answer? My phone was practicing meditation in silent. So, if the input is a question like this, a funny excuse answer I'm going to generate. Now, sir, my input is why did not you attend the online class? Now I need answer for this. So my AI model is going to search for the previous data and it will give the answer. Sir, what answer it is going to give? Have a look once. My Wi-Fi decided to attend the class without me and forgot to share the notes. Wow, beautiful, beautiful statement. Sir, don't feel that this is the answer every time I will get. No, no. Sir, it is keep on going to change. If you run this prompt, you may get different answer. If I am running the prompt, I may get different answer. Like that, it will change. Let me try next time. Have you observed? My laptop joined the class, but it forgot to invite. Beautiful answers. One more time I am running. My internet attended the class, but my login link took day. Let me run one more time. So my Wi-Fi got stage fail and disconnected as soon as the class started. Have you observed? Multiple answers it is generating. Just it is identifying the pattern and it is generating. Sir, I think now you got clarity. Clear, friends? Clear? Can I go for one more example? Daily life example.
Yes. We can go for next example.
So example number 7. What is the 7th example here is product description. Product description. Sir, what I'm going to do here is example 1. I'm giving one product. Sir, the product is nothing but water bottle. The product is nothing but water bottle. What is the description of this? Sir, leak proof. Okay, leak proof bottle. Okay, easy to carry. So good for daily use. Like this, I'm taking. Now I'm taking another example. Sir, in this case, the product is nothing but laptop bag. Sir, what about description? The description is nothing but, sir, strong bag with multiple pockets. Suitable for office. Suitable for office. Now, can you please write description for Okay, for the product. Sir, which product description you need? Wireless mouse. Like this I'm taking. Sir, based on that, just description about this product, it is going to give. Sir, wireless mouse. Comfortable wireless mouse with smooth tracking, long battery life, and easy connectivity. Multiple answers it is given. Sir, clear up to this. Not only the relevant products, even if you are giving some different product also. For same example, I will ask a description for sir X. Okay, sir, already it is having the pattern right from that. Sir, eggs, fresh, nutritious, eggs with rich protein, suitable for breakfast, cooking, and daily meals. So it is giving the clear information by identifying the patterns which you have given previously. Clear, friends? Please confirm.
Yes, clear.
Sir, example number 9. What is the ninth example is prompt optimization. Okay, prompt optimization. Sir, I will provide some prompts. You have to optimize that. Maybe some lengthy prompts I will give. Just you have to summarize that. Just you have to summarize that. Okay. Now observe carefully. So if you observe here, rewrite the prompt for better AI results. Sir, the input is write Java. What is output? Sir, write a Java program to implement binary search using recursion with comments and sample output. Sir, explain AI. Explain artificial intelligence for BTech students using simple language diagrams, real world examples, and interview questions. Now, rewrite. What is the input? Teach Python. Let us see based on our previous data how my AI model is going to generate the output. Sir, teach Python from the beginner to intermediate level using simple language, step-by-step explanations, practical examples, hands-on coding exercises, common interview questions, and practice programs with the sample output. Clear? Friends, you understood? Please confirm.
Yeah.
Right. Now, example number 10. What is the 10th example? Is project suggestion. Project suggestion. Sir, I know on which domain I'm going to generate the project, but I want a proper project name. For example, so let me write the prompt. Suggest a project. Can you please suggest a project? Example 1. Sir, if the area of interest is banking, sir, my title of the project should be online banking. Okay, online banking management system. Sir, OBMS. So, second example, my area of interest is on education. Sir, what is the project that you can develop? Sir, college management system. CMS. Sir, example, okay, sufficient. Now I will ask. Now, can you please suggest? Now, can you please suggest? My area of interest is healthcare. Healthcare. So, what is output? Can you please think and suggest me? Like that, I am going to ask. Sir, what my AI model is going to do? Hospital management system. Hospital management system. Have you observed? Just you have to give some samples and you need to ask. That's all. Clear? Please confirm.
Yeah, clear. One question I have, many times suppose we generate the output, it seems that by reading the way they write, even though we give some direction to writing this way, it appears that it is being written by some smart AI. So
Yes.
yeah. So how can we override that and try to get it in the simple human written form? Is it any way?
We can do that. We are going to see all such type of things in our upcoming classes also.
Okay, that will be useful.
Yes.
Sure. Thank you.
You are asking how to override that and how your see that is nothing but a script how we are going to write. See, already AI model is having some module, some content is there. So
Yeah.
if I am asking, it is giving the data from that content. You are asking, so how to override that content? Based on that, in future, if any question is coming, so your answer should come. That is your question, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. So we can do that. So we can create our own AI models, right?
Okay.
Even some small projects also I'm going to develop. So you can see that's what, sir. There is a huge demand for AI tools. The person who is able to create agents, they are going to get so much of package up in upcoming days. See, if I have a small business, if I am running a small business, if I attach AI for that, sir, happily you can increase productivity level. So why?
Definitely.
Because see, it will identify the areas in which area you need to improve. So what is the population of that town? Okay, so what are the activities that are done in that particular town? So everything we can able to analyze, right? Even we are not going to take the headache, just we will write the prompt, it will guide. So based on, suppose consider if you take a small market, I have 10 chocolates are there. So just I'm going to write that in my agent. Like if next person is coming, he is purchasing 9 chocolates. Just you have to write the query or you are going to do some operations so that automatically in the back end, how many pending chocolates are there? So do you need to increase that product count quantity? So everything we can able to get through message also. Are you getting? So
Getting.
just I need to sit in my chair and I'm going to read. I will get a WhatsApp message. Alright, only limited one chocolate is there in your shop. Can you please purchase? Because productivity level is more. So more number of chocolates are going in this month. So because of that, I am recommending please purchase these many chocolates and keep in your store. So these kind of messages also we can. I will show you everything in the ending of the sessions. We will get projects also. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Sir, now coming to the next example. The next example. Sir, it is something like a different strategy. Please observe. Sir, story generation. Story generation. Generate a short story. Sir, what is the theme? Honesty. Output. A boy returned a lost wallet and earned everyone's trust. Sir, this is nothing but a small short story. Hard work. A farmer worked every day and achieved a successful harvest. Now, can you please generate? My theme is teamwork. Can you please give output for this? Sir, just in a single line, it is going to give the answer. Have a look once. A group of friends worked together to build a science project and won first prize. If you want more like this, you can ask one more time. A team of students helped each other during the competition and achieved victory together. Clear? Please confirm. Clear up to this.
Yes.
Now, sir, next prompt is nothing but I want to generate a system design. Especially this will be useful in fine layer projects. Sir, one of my student, so they are asking, can you please give me some modules which I have to use in this project? Array, no problem. Take your seniors project. They have completed a library management system. And what are all the modules that they use? Books, members, issue, return, reports. Now take another project, hospital management system. What are all the modules they use? Patients, doctors, pharmacy, billing. Now, sir, online food delivery system I want to develop. Can you please suggest some modules that I need to be implemented in that project? Sir, users, restaurants, menu, orders, payments, delivery, reviews. So we are not required to think for 1 second also. You can ask ChatGPT to give the answer. It will give the module. Now directly create a Java module or Python module based on this. Clear, friends? Understood?
Yes.
Yeah. Now listen. I am going to write the next prompt, which is very useful, friends. Which is very useful. Observe carefully. So what is that prompt is? Sir, AI roadmap. Example one. Sir, my goal is to become a Java developer. What is roadmap for this? First, learn core Java. From that JDBC, from that servlets, from that JSP, from that Spring Boot. Sir, I want to become data analyst. First, learn Python, then learn SQL, then Excel, Power BI, statistics, like that. Now, create. Sir, my goal is to become AI engineer. Can you please guide roadmap for this? Just have a look once. What is a roadmap it is giving? Python, machine learning, deep learning, prompt engineering, okay, generative AI frameworks, model deployment, like that. Clear up? Please come. Clear?
Yes. This is clear.
The next prompt, some business I want to start. I want to start some business. So, prepare a business strategy. Sir, I want to run a coffee shop. What is output? Target audience, menu, marketing, pricing, growth plan. These things we need to identify in the beginning. Sir, I want to plan a gym business, membership plans, equipment, trainers, promotion, revenue model. These things you need to concentrate. Now, sir, I want to run online software training institute. Sir, can you please tell me the strategy for this? Now observe what it is going to return. Target audience, course catalog, expert trainers, marketing strategy, price plans, student support, certification, revenue model, growth plan. This is nothing but the strategy what we have to follow. Clear up to this?
Yes, clear.
Yeah.
It's clear.
Yeah. Now, sir, next I'm giving one prompt. Sir, I used this prompt. So few days back, just a few days back, I visited Ooty with my family. So just I tried this. Really, it is working, friends. Sir, observe carefully. Of course, my example is different. Sir, generate an Instagram caption. So I'm posting one pic of this tour. Just I wanted to give some caption for them. I have given some examples. Suppose if the photo is sunrise at a beach, can you please tell me what is the output? Sir, every sunrise is a new beginning. Sir, next second example, graduation ceremony is happening. Sir, what is the output? Dream big, work hard, and celebrate every milestone. Now, sir, my photo is first day at a new software job. Can you please write, if I post this image, what is the tagline or what is the caption that I want to take? Now observe. It is thinking, sir, new job, new challenges, new opportunities, excited to begin this amazing journey. Let me try one more time. First day, fresh start and endless possibilities. Here to an exciting new journey. Let me run one more time. Stepping into a new chapter, ready to learn, grow, and make every day count. That's all. So everything. So just the writing, the prompt is very, very clear.
Yes,
So I hope now you got clarity, sir, how we can able to write the prompts. Am I right?
definitely.
Right. So now these are nothing but some 15 examples what we have just to learn how you can able to write prompt. Let's conclude these things. Sir, the main note point here is, sir, do you know it is the most commonly used in production. So, giving two examples, asking your AI model to understand this and rate it. I can say production ready prompting. Sir, this prompting is also called as what? Production ready prompting. Ready to give the answers. So let's summarize whatever we discussed till now. Sir, how many examples we have to give? Use two or more examples. Two or more examples. Tell me minimum how many examples we need to give? Minimum?
Minimum to maximum 5.
Yes, maximum five. Maximum five. Sir, next it helps. Okay, it helps the AI to understand the patterns. What patterns are there in that? It will understand. Next, it will produce more accurate and consistent responses. And mainly it is useful for text text generation. Okay, so translation, even coding. Okay, summarization, classification, and even so question answering. In everywhere we can use these kind of which prompt. Which prompt? Few short prompting. Clear?
Yeah.
Now let's see the difference between zero shot. Okay, zero shot. So one shot and few shot prompt. Let's see the difference. Sir, if you are talking about the first one, only just 2 to 3 lines only I will write. If you take zero shot prompting, sir, we are asking directly. Ask directly. That's all. Sir, what about the second one? How many examples we are giving here? Only zero examples. So when task is very simple and open, then you can ask these kind of prompts. When you can go for one shot, in one shot, sir, you will give one example. So based on that, please analyze and then give the answer. Sir, how many examples we are going to give? One example is going to be provided. Next, Sir, when you want same style or format, we can use this. Okay. Then what about the few shot prompting? Sir, few shot prompting means, sir, giving multiple examples. Multiple examples. Sir, how many examples? Sir, two or more, but make sure minimum two and maximum five examples. So when output must be very consistent, then you have to use this format. This is nothing but what we have. Sir, clear? Everyone, please confirm.
Yes, clear.
So this is nothing but what is mean by zero shot prompting, what is mean by few shot prompting, and what is mean by one shot prompting.